Hi, in this recording I'm going to show you how to set up WOLF so that you can record scores such as a pain disability index or a frailty score as a manual lab result and then be able to search them and graph them. So to start with, we open up configuration if it's not already open, and then we go into our view menu. From there we go to patient data codes and investigation types. So we've got some numbers listed in here, and I want to pick a number that I don't already have. So I'm going to choose number 8, and I'm just going to create a category called scores. I'm going to hit save, and we can see it adds to my list here. So that creates the category. Next, we're going to go in and add the individual score itself. So we're going to say view. Again, patient data codes. This time we're going to go into investigations rather than investigation types. Okay, if we look at one of these investigations, you can see that you can give it a name, you can give it a type, you can put in a normal range if you like, and you can create a lab merge code for it. And in a minute I'll show you how to go in and create the lab merge code so that you can graph these as lab results. Okay, but at this point, we're going to create a new one. I'm going to click on the white piece of paper. For description here, we're going to call the first one Pain Disability Index, or PDI. Okay, for type, we're going to choose from our list, and here's our scores that we created first. We're going to create that. We're not going to have a normal range for this or units at the moment, though if you have that information, you're setting up something else, you can certainly put that in. And so I'm going to create a merge code here called PDI. Now for this merge code to be effective, I have to go in and create it in a separate part of WOLF, but I'll show you that in a minute, okay? So here we've got our pain disability index, our type is scores, and our merge code is PDI. Okay, we're going to create a second one. So we hit save, and now it's given us another blank. We're going to create a second one. We're going to call this one our frailty score. So we'll just type in frailty. Type is a score, and we're going to create a merge code of frailty here. And we're going to hit save. So we've created those two types of investigations. Now we need to go in and create the merge codes that go along with them. That's also done in configuration under View, Lab Codes, Lab Codes. Now we know we don't have anything set up for this, so we can just go ahead and hit the plus button to add a new one. And in order to create a merge code, what you do is you have the lab code and the merge code be identical. So we created one called PDI that we want to use, and we can put whatever we like in the description field. So it's Pain Disability Index. And the merge code is the same, which is PDI. And we're going to hit save. Okay, we're going to do a second one for frailty. And so I'm going to hit the plus button again. I'm going to call it frailty. Again, it has to be the same in the merge code box. And the description, I can put anything in that I want, but I will just keep it the same for consistency. So we're going to hit the disk, which is the save button. And then we have those two merge codes created in the system for us. So now if we go in and search on PDI, sorry, we need to search in the code box for PDI. You'll see it's come up with the lab code with the merge code now. And similarly, if we search for frailty, it's now come up with our lab code and merge code of frailty. So we can now go ahead and use these in order to graph. And the next video will show you how to enter a PDI or a frailty score. Thanks for watching.